a force so powerful it can move mountains. Determination is a spark that ignites greatness, and it lives in each and every one of you. Imagine a world without the ability to see and hear. Now imagine a little girl who faced this challenge. Her name was Helen Keller. Her journey is a testament to the incredible power of determination. Helen lost her sight and hearing when she was just a little baby. But she didn't let that stop her. With the unwavering support of her teacher and Sullivan, Helen learned to communicate with the world. It wasn't easy. There were moments of frustration and doubt. But a miraculous breakthrough happened. While standing at a water park together, the water flowing through her student's hand, the teacher spelled the word water into the child's mouth. Suddenly, the child understood the connection between objects and letters spelled out in her hand. That same day, she had learned nearly 30 new words. So my young friends, be inspired of Helen Keller and Anne Sullivan. Embrace determination as your guiding light. With determination, you can overcome anything, learn everything, and achieve your wildest dreams. Don't just pass life by from the sidelines. Live as a daring, bold adventurer just like Helen Keller did. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Because it's determination, the sky is the limit. Thank you all for listening to it.